gardening, we have to do what we can, evaluate the results, and proceed accordingly. Well, in the last week, I discovered a major issue, and I am changing things for much better production now. Within the last year or so, I had gotten a number of these grow bags, particularly for starting plants. You can see this one here is much thinner than this one, but basically the idea of these, and I got them on Amazon, various brands, the idea is you could start something in this and the roots would go through it so you can transplant it without transplant shock. I have various sizes. Most roots ends up do not go through it. A lot of plants that I had in them were very limited in their growth. I discovered in the potatoes when I was tending to them and retraining what I could up onto the fence, the pouches pretty much contained the roots. So that's a particular concern about plants where you're harvesting roots or things underground coming up from it, that those pouches may contain more and the thicker stuff won't go through. With other plants, I found that a lot of the thin stuff don't go through either. And a lot of plants had very limited roots. And even when I had some success on harvest, it wasn't as it might have been in the past years when I did not use that kind of bag. There was a lot of limitation. I found in the sweet potatoes that not only were they pretty contained in the roots, but one of the bags contained a sweet potato that is now being processed after harvest. It is fine, but the only one, and nothing else was going underneath because of the limitations of these bags. I pulled them out and the bags are pretty much intact except for me ripping them away. Then I filled in with more soil and more mulch. Hopefully most of my sweet potato crop will be saved this year. Another crop that I was rather surprised about the results this year were my sunflowers. I do the Mammoth gray stripe sunflowers. They're a very good eating sunflower seed. I noticed that they were much shorter this year than normal. When I picked one of them out that I did harvest, here's that bag. And roots were not really going through it at all. This plant that should be driving roots through the soil and even helping to condition soil because of that really was limited. Another very sorry example was watermelons. I had a watermelon plant that had actually produced some watermelons. They weren't humongous, but not like it should have produced because the root ball was totally contained in that bag. I did notice that my watermelons are producing again. Yesterday I did help by hand pollinating a female that I saw with a male flower that was available. Hopefully my watermelon crop will improve as well. I've been going through the garden trying to find all the bags and ripping them away. In the future, if I use those bags, everything's coming out of them before they get transplanted.